Here I've got INFINIX Hot 9, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Here locate and open voicemail and select notifications. Click on sound, and here you can pick one from the following options, so let me show you some of them. And just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and as you can see, voicemail notification sound has been changed, has been updated. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.